Welcome back to Fun Factor RC, everybody. And we just got finished putting the radio system in the Elsa Barbie Jeep. What we did was we put the receiver in there. It already had a speed control and it was already wired up to the motors. I just had to figure out all of the wiring that they had, and they had it jammed up, and I took a lot of it out, and we don't have a lot of it put back in, but it binds up, it steers, the dual rate works with the steering, and it goes. I'm pretty stoked. I'm gonna drive it around the yard.